Students, our next is session starts like this. I'll show some kind of puzzles. You have to solve this. You may receive in some of the classes, particularly in maths class. Some students have skill of learning English. Some students likes maths. Everybody have their own interest, their own specific unique talent. But here, the particular person, he's a legend. He's a man of uh, how to say, he's very well known of mathematics. He's a mathematician simply from Tamil Nadu. I think you got it. So the title is From Zero to Infinity by it is a biography of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Okay, so this lesson starts. Actually, I'll summarize here. First, look at the passage. The arithmetic class was in progress. What is that? The class is going. Okay, teacher. That means Srinivasa Ramanujan's teacher was solving the questions on the blackboard, so that the teacher wanted to make a simple, easy to understand the class. So he's drawn three bananas on the board. Okay, so next teacher explained that they have three bananas and three boys, and asked to tell the answer. How can they distribute to each one? A well smart boy in the class stand and replied that each will get one. So uh, so this is the answer. If we have a three boy and three bananas, each will get one. Okay, that is that. The teacher said, and applauded for the boy, praised the boy. The same way, again the teacher asked 100 bananas to 100 boys. Okay. Yes, that is also right. While the teacher explaining the boy in this questions, a boy, very curious boy sitting in the corner and raised and hand because see, we are very famous in this kind of situation. Always we have one particular person to ask any silly questions. Maybe that is a smart questions, but here the teacher stopped and wait for the boy to speak. Okay, he just raised hand. The teacher noted down, and yes, you may speak, you may ask. So the boy asked that if no banana is distributed among no one, will everyone still get one banana? How funny the boys are! Everybody's laughing. See, um, among the boys, he is the only one who really learned arithmetic. Everybody is learned get one banana to one boy, but no one was very curious. What about the next step? Okay, the teacher said quite to all the students and turned and applauded that there is no. He started explaining that there is no reason to laugh for, so that the teacher started explaining that for the division of bananas, 3 by 3, okay, saying that each boy will get banana. Similarly, we divided 100 by 100 will get one. So what is so that 0 banana by 0 banana is 1. So don't think about the banana, think about the numbers, think about the words. The answer is no. Okay, mathematically each will get infinite number of bananas. What is infinite? That is the title, From Zero to Infinity. What is meant by infinity? I'll tell you now. So infinity means it's unlimited. It's a unlimited space, unlimited time, unlimited amount, a large number, because there is no limit. It's a infinite. Okay, that is called infinity. From zero to infinity. That is the title of biography of Srinivasa Ramanujan. So the finally the doubt is, if no banana will distributed by no one, still they will get one, means yes. Answer is no, but mathematically each will get an infinite number of bananas. Okay, next everyone is laughed. The boys in the class understood the trick arithmetic played upon them. What they could not understand was why the teacher complimented the boy who had asked the upset questions. Every boys in the class was wondered that this kind of silly questions, how can teacher appreciate them? appreciate the boy because he asked silly questions, but the boy asked that questions in future. He is he's became a famous, he's not a famous, he's a legend mathematician, in several countries. Some mathematicians claimed that 0 divided by 0 was 0, but he but others claimed to be unity. It was the Indian mathematician Bhaskara. He was a predecessor, he was ancestor of Srinivasa Ramanujan, who proved that it is a infinity, right? So the boy will ask this kind of intriguing questions. Intriguing means very interesting, very mysterious question that was a Srinivasa Ramanujan. So he started his class from very early. He just know state his talent in very early throughout his life, whether his native Kumbakonam or Kumbakonam, or he studied Cambridge, but he always head of mathematics teachers. Okay, he's a he was a prodigy, right? He was a very well prodigy then. Now, just let me tell you about his native and how he started his career at schools. Ramanujan was born in Erode in Tamil Nadu on December 22, 1887. So, 19th century, he was born December 22, his birthday. Those people have, I personally insist, those people have interest in maths. Those people like maths. You can follow his birthday to do some kind of research and talent. His father was a petty clerk in clothes. A petty clerk means a small accountant. Okay, from early childhood, it was evidence. As I told, he was a prodigy. Prodigy means we can find from very early stage that this boy will become famous. This boy will become a superstar in future. He's very talent. From childhood itself, we can learn that is called prodigy. Senior students used to go to his dingy house to get their difficulties in maths solved. See, while he was under graduation, his seniors used to come and ask his help. His dingy place, dingy means there is a corner, it's a dirty, just like a cave. At the age of 13, Ramanujan was lent a book on advanced. How can at the age of 30, you guys, some students are studying in 8th standard, right? That is the proper age to study 8th standard, but he was lent advanced trigonometry written by L.S. Loney. See, how can it is possible? At the age of 13, he just, he bought a book. At this age, students will study only the school book, what the syllabus is prescribed for us. But he goes advanced trigonometry. Not only that, did his master his rather difficult book, but also began his own okay, his own research. He just wanted to make his research on that same book. Okay, he did master means he learned everything in that, and also started research new concepts, new scheme, that kind of formulas. He came forth with the many mathematical theorems and formula. It's not given in the book. Already the book was written by L.S. Lonely, but he also want to make new formulas, through they had been discovered much earlier by great mathematicians. Okay, same, even though they have learned, it was discovered by many earlier mathematician, still he want to bring out the formula. So finally the most significant turn came 2 years after, when one of his seniors, when he had a real execute his talent, so that he was simply sit and research. But finally, he just showed a book from his friend, that is senior, a synopsis of elementary result in pure applied mathematics. It is a collection of you have to note it down, the title. It is a collection of 4865 formulas and theorems without a proof by G.S. Carr. There is no proof, but a boy of 16, at the boy of 16 means 11th or 12th standard, actually 11th standard boy, the title itself must be frightening. See, look at the title, the synopsis of elementary result in pure applied mathematics. Everybody will get frightened, but this boy was delighted. He took the book and home and began to start working problem given it. The book triggered the mathematics genius in that book itself. So the significant time is the real talent he executed by the title, the synopsis of elementary result in pure applied mathematics. This book started instigating his talent. Next, mathematical ideas begin to come in such a flood. Those people have a lot of interest. There is no limit to say that it is organized. It was automatically comes down. So he was not able to written all of them. He just need some kind of papers, notebook. So it was a shortage of he used to get a lot of notebook. So he just filled already three notebooks over, which later became so Ramanujan's afraid notebooks. Actually, we used to call it a rough note. So whenever he used to sit and bring out the formulas of new, he just called afraid notebooks after they named it, after they find it. Finally, next, although Ramanujan secured a first class in only mathematics, matriculation examination, but what about he also called a Subramanian scholarship, but failed twice in his first year arts examination in college, has neglected other subjects such as history, English, physiology. So what is use of only learning in mathematics? He maybe once he could have passed this art examination, first year arts examination college, after he can study his master in mathematics, but still the man only showed interest in math, so that he neglected, so that he just not given importance to the history, English, physiology. He failed. So what about his father's condition? Of course, the father complained that this boy is always scribbling numbers, not doing anything else. So the now Ramanujam had gone mad. He learned only mathematics. Why he knows? So this kind of complaint comes very fast. Next, Ramanujam, after school, after arts examination, arts means it's a college examination, you have to get the job, right? So he started moving to get a job. Ramanujam began to look for a job. He had to find money not only for the food but also for the papers. He never stopped. Even though his father is demotivated, the father is complaining, he never stopped his doing work, so that he just seeking a job to get a paper as well for the calculation. See, actually he needed 2000 sheets of paper for every month. How is it possible? That means the boy is overflows of skill of maths. Ramanujam started using every scrap of paper he found lying on the street. Sometimes he used to do red pen over, you know to differentiate, to overwrite what is on the blue ink. So he was just unkempt and uncouth. This means he is not neat, cared for, and behaving like unpleasant way. He would visit office. See, if anyone is finding for a job, they have to prepare themselves to be very neat and gentle, just like handsome, no? But he just went out different offices for um in a dirty face and dirty clothes. How can he get a job? He was rejected. He just looking for a clerical job, as his father was said, like a petty clerk. He was just doing, because only maths. So he find a job for a clerical, but no one understand what is in the notebook. So his applications were rejected. Okay, next, finally, luckily for him, finally he found out one job, that was the director, who gave the job, the director of Madras Port Trust, who's called Francis Spring. So Francis Spring, he's the director of Madras Port Trust, gave Ramanujam a clerical job, monthly salary of rupees 25. I think the value of 25 on those days, 19th century. Later, some teachers and educationists interested in maths initiated move to provide Ramanujan with a research fellowship. Research fellowship means, if they give chance to study, by the time they give also stipend, some kind of. So on May nearly earlier 20th century, in 1913, the University of Madras granted him fellowship for 70 rupees 75 1 month, though he had no qualifying degree. See, Madras University gave him chance to read master degree, though he didn't. Some kind, that is a rule that once we follow our UG, next only we have to study, take, we have to pursue our PG. But here, because of talent, university gave him a chance to study a fellowship. Next, a few months later, he studied. A few months earlier, Ramanujam had sent a letter to the great mathematician G.H. Hardy. The man is not stopped by the college. He used to send a letter to the great mathematician G.H. Hardy. Actually, he set out 120 theorems and formulas. Among them was what is known as a Riemann series. Okay, Riemann is the most it's an important topic for to study the topic in the definite integral calculus. Okay? But Ramanujan was ignorant of the work of German mathematician George F. Riemann, who had earlier arrived at the series. Okay, a rare achievement. He just ignorant, but Ramanujan never shows any interest on that. So also included the Ramanujan conjecture. What is conjecture? Conjecture means opinion conclusions found without complete informations. He found. Okay, uh, into the Riemann and G.H. Hardy found it was a conjecture. So kind of equations called modular. Pierre Deligne, Pierre Deligne he was subsequently proved this conjecture to be correct. So it did not take a long for Hardy and his colleague J. Littlewood to realize that they had discovered a rare mathematical genius. They made arrangements for Ramanujan passage and stay at Cambridge University and March. So 1930 he just started his mastership in University Madras. But 1914 he was called to Cambridge by two person, that is Hardy and J. Littlewood. Okay, so that his rules all was so fine. Okay, we can call them and let them give a chance, they thought that. But Ramanujan found himself a stranger at Cambridge. Okay, see, we are normal people. We never gone to overseas. If we go there, how do we feel? It's a kind of a strange, so he just he it was very hard to bear cold, and being vegetarian, having some kind of meat. He's a Kumbakonam man. Maybe he used to eat only vegetables and vegetarian, had to cook his own, and he doesn't know what people people surround him. So he just started to accept the situations in the company of Hardy and Littlewood. He could forget much of the hardship he had endured. But if you know a few person, we can endure all the pain, all the strangeness, then Ramanujam. In Ramanujam means in itself, Hardy found an unsystematic mathematician. Similarly, no one who knows Pythagoras theorem does not know what is congruent triangular means. You're studying in maths, very well. But Hardy, is a well known. He is also one of the international figure in maths. Find out this man is good, but he is unsystematic. There is no proper formula. There is no proper rule. Okay, so several discrepancies in his research could be attributed to his lack of formal education. He just having talent, but not in a format. Okay, so that it was found by Hardy in Ramanujan. It was a sheer genius that led to mathematical truth. The task proving them so the important in science he left no lesser mortals. He could find, he had a lot of talent, but not in the correct way. After in postgraduates, how can he lazily write this? So Ramanujan was elected fellow of the Royal Society. Fellow means he's a superman. It's a proper responsible. It's a great honor for the Royal Society. On February 28, 1918, he was the youngest Indian to receive the distinguished, very talented fellowship. In October that year, he became the first Indian to be elected Trinity College, not only in Cambridge to the Trinity. His achievements at Cambridge include the Hardy Ramanujan Littlewood Circle method and number theory. See, already he was welcomed by Ramanujan, welcomed by Hardy and Littlewood. So he just having the collaborations of next collaboration is Roger Ramanujan's identities and partition of integrals. I'm talking about his works, ma. A long list of highest composite numbers besides work, the number theory and algebra inequalities. So, in algebra, work on continued fractions considered to be equal importance of that great mathematicians like Leonard Euler and Jacobi. So once he got just recognitions of his talent in the university, he started doing a lot of works. Okay, next while so lifelong he's just doing whenever he get time continuously. While he continued his research, he got tuberculosis, then an you know in that time it was incurable disease. So it was a DORM, it was a touched completely takes the tuberculosis takes so Ramanujan was sent back to India while he was disembarked. What does it mean disembark means it's a kind of it's a journey through the leave an aircraft. Okay, particularly we take the foreign people take responsibility to send safely to the Ramanujan because he is no longer well to do his research, so that they find he have to send the Ramanujan to home. His friends found him, the friends in India found him that Ramanujan was pale, exhausted and emaciated. Emaciated means very thin and weak. Even though he forgot to to feel the pain, he continued to play with the numbers even on the deathbed. Everybody is got what this man is really became mad. Even his deathbed, he is doing this kind of things. Being beside the mathematician, Ramanujan was astrologer of repute and good speaker. He used to get a give lecture on subject like God, zero to zero and infinite. Not only God, zero and infinity. He used to say continuously lecture. Even his birthday, he was died due to tuberculosis. Tuberculosis. Next, assignment part. I'll send you the paragraph. Paragraph and short answers, math synonyms, words. I'll give it to you. So you have to write it, ma'am. Yes, this is what your assignment. Short answers, then paragraphs, book inside, book back, and paragraph, and also answer the following and match the word. These were the three part. You have to book inside, book back, paragraph and synonyms. You have to write it in the assignment note. That means English classwork, ma. Thank you. Read well, study well, and you will know a very interesting lesson this is. Once you get know, we know how can a small boy, how he had the talent from even a smalls. Okay, those people are struggling to overcome the maths